It's beautiful out here. We got a nice one over there. Pretty good one. And that's the second one he's pulled out over here. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. There's all sorts of gar in here too. Let's see if we can find one. I probably saw 10 gar when we first came up on this spot. Pretty cool out here. This river was a little bit low coming up, and there's definitely some spots where fish wouldn't be able to get through or anything. Look at that. Maybe I'll get them to send me that picture later. I'll show you that fish. Yeah, very pretty out here. Let's see if we can maybe pull one in. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, almost had a gar. Don't know that I wanted to, but almost had one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good one, Winnie. Come on. Come on. Look at this pretty fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah, a dark one. Yeah, pretty smally. Heck yeah. There we go. Took a little bit. Pretty small. 12, 13 inch or maybe 14. Fucking beauty. Dark one. on, keep her on there. Looks like a good one. Big old smallie fighting them, I assume. Oh, come on. That's a nice one for sure. Might be a plier one. No, I needed them on that last one. This inline spinner was brutal on them. Oh yeah. In trouble. Let me get a little of that boy. Another nice little river fucking creek smallie.
Hell yeah, buddy.
That's beautiful out here. Just swimming away peacefully. There he goes.
I thought he was a little beat up there. Both of them tried to take it under rocks and I had to rip him out of there.
Yeah. No, that one I had was a fighter. Don't think I've ever caught a smallie that.
Ooh, good one. Ooh. Oh yeah, little one. Oh, this is another one of those red eye.
Yeah, like a rock bass maybe?
Yeah, that's what I've been calling them.
One of them red eyes. One of them late flights. Still out here. Started throwing a jig, caught a nice fat brim of some sort. Got this pretty blue in it. Bada bing, bada boom, doubling up. What you got there, Winnie? Look at that. Little smallie? Yeah. Heck yeah. Like you're holding this thing. Not quite right. We'll do it later.